If your Hisense portable air conditioner is acting up and you can't find the remote, don't worry. You can still reset it using 3 different methods directly on the unit itself. Here's a typical Hisense portable air conditioner. Even without the remote, you have several reset options available. The most common and effective method is the power cycle reset. This involves 4 simple steps that will clear the unit's memory and restart all systems. First, turn off the AC unit completely. Then, unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait at least 10 to 30 seconds, though waiting up to 15 minutes allows for a complete internal discharge. Finally, plug it back in and turn it on. The second method uses the control panel on the unit itself. This method works when the unit is responsive but behaving erratically. Make sure the unit is on, then simultaneously press and hold the mode and fan buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep or see the display flash when the reset is successful. The third method involves the LCDI plug, which is a safety feature on the power cord. This method addresses electrical safety issues that might be causing problems. Find the LCDI plug on your power cord and press the reset button. If it clicks and stays in, the reset was successful. If it pops back out, this indicates a potential ground fault issue that may require professional attention. These 3 methods should help you reset your Hisense portable air conditioner even without the remote control. Resetting your Hisense portable air conditioner can solve several common problems. Here are the key signs that indicate you should try a reset. If your air conditioner won't turn on, start with these power-related checks. First, verify the outlet is working by testing it with another device. Then check your home's circuit breaker for any tripped switches. For cooling problems, first ensure the unit is set to cool mode with the temperature set low enough. Clean or replace dirty air filters, which should be cleaned every 2 weeks during regular use. Also check the exhaust hose for obstructions and ensure it's properly connected. The hose should be free of kinks and securely attached to both the unit and the window kit. If your unit turns off by itself, this could be due to several factors. Check for power supply issues, a full water tank, dirty filters, or an accidentally activated timer function. When error codes appear on your display, consult the troubleshooting guide. Common codes include LE for water level issues, HL for high temperature, and CF for communication faults. Regular maintenance is key to preventing problems. Clean air filters every 2 weeks and ensure proper ventilation around the unit. If problems persist after troubleshooting and resetting, consult a qualified HVC technician.